Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. I hope you can hear me. It's a little bit breezy out. You might notice I've been back to work again on firewood processing. I have been called into a certain property to go and get a mess of firewood that urgently needed to be taken out. Trees, I should say. Those were trees. Now it's going to be firewood. And I have to process all this. Michelle, what are you doing in my camera view? Anyway, so I have a lot of wood. That's 4 face cord I've hauled in, and I've got to cut and split and stack all this stuff. This is beautiful wood. But anyway, that's where I've been the past couple days, and I don't have any thing else to share with you. But I will probably be doing a video later on after I get some of this processed on Country Wood Products, so check that out. I'll put the link down below later on. Well, I'll put the link to the channel down here. And I see my camera battery's running low, so this is going to be a very brief update today. Been full blast at this, and I had heat exhaustion last night, so I didn't do any video then either. I'm going to work early while it's cooler, and then we're getting snow again this weekend. How strange. So heat exhaustion today, snow in a few days. Well, I've got to get this processed before it's too hot. I can feel the temperature rising, so I'm going to get this up to you guys, and I'll talk to you later.